war campaign.
20 fucking 20, man. I'll tell you what. I keep telling myself I'm done talking about this. I want to talk about more positive shit. I want to talk about stuff to inspire and motivate. But here's the thing. I'm not okay with what's going on. And we all need to speak out. I keep talking about speaking out. I keep telling you guys to speak out. We need to come unified and speak out. And I can't stop talking. It's on my heart. It's on my mind. So as much as I want to talk about other shit, until this shit is over with, I can't stop talking about it. And I feel like we're in a movie. Honestly, I feel like 2020 is a crazy movie. And they probably will make a crazy movie about it. I mean, with this pandemic going on, the racial issues going on, the fucking pedophile shit that's coming out. What the fuck is going on, guys? And here's the thing. I know we're all going through shit. And normally, everyone has their own issues. Everyone has their own problem. But here's the thing, guys. We're all going through this together. At least you know what's going on in this world, in this country. You know we're all going through it. We're all feeling the effects of it. We're all in it together. And here's the thing, guys. It's about weathering the storm. And this is a fucking storm. This is a storm like we've never seen before. None of us have seen some shit like this. My parents have never seen anything like this. Our grandparents have never seen anything like this. This is the first time this much shit has happened in this country at one time, out of our control, affecting our lives, affecting our businesses, affecting our kids, our families. Are you okay with it? Are you gonna weather the storm? You have two choices. You're gonna win or you're gonna lose. You're gonna give up or you're gonna push and overcome this shit. You have two choices, and I know it's not easy. And I know some businesses are affected more than other businesses. But here's the thing. I know of businesses right now that are having record months, that are thriving. I know restaurants that are selling as much as they were selling before. And I know brick and mortar restaurants, industries like that, hairstylists. I feel for you guys because you guys really have shit out of your control. But here's the thing. Tough times make tough people. Are you gonna build up grit and you're gonna get over this? Because here's the thing. I promise you, if you can get through these times, if you can get through this fucking year, you're gonna be able to get through anything. I promise you that. And you just need to be creative. If you have a restaurant, figure out ways to promote takeout. Put a fucking parking lot full of tables. Do what you have to do to feed your family. That's the kind of mindset you have to do. Like I said, it's weathering the storm. The storm is here. It's fucking coming down on you. Are you gonna run away? Are you gonna hide and shelter? Are you gonna face the storm head on and walk through that shit, overcome that shit, and get out on the other side and realize that you can overcome anything, that you put your head down, you stay consistent, and you work through? Guys, think about it. Put your head down and work. Stop complaining. I know it's hard. I know more businesses are being affected than others. That's not gonna get you anywhere. Figure out solutions, be creative, hustle harder than you've ever hustled before. We're in this together. I'm in this, you're in this, we're in this. I'm here for you. Let's get through this shit together. I'm out.
Leave a path full of flames. You ain't never took a real loss that's about to be arranged.